Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your BASEUS Eli Sport 1. So firstly, make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. After that, put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone and we can see it right now at the device list. So after that, just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Now let's check it. Yeah, and we have connected again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.